Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you to my channel. And this session, I'm just going to discuss about my positional option scanner, which we have created on the web application, which help to find out, utilize our positional strategy. So that the month end August beginning, we are making a video regarding the same. And now the month we are nearing to that contract expiry, and almost 25th is the expiry, so only another 2 days. And how this scanner on a monthly basis is performed, and also how you can effectively utilize this particular scanner along with the strategy that I'm going to discuss in this video. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this month, so we have a lot of opportunity which triggers in call as well as put side. So many stocks which triggers the top, and the best which we are finding for this month. So Paytm, Motilal, Inzing, National Limit. So a lot of stocks which gives you an opportunity, but how we are effectively using that based on the strategy we have built up. So there is a 5 different hedging strategy which we are going to use it as per our capital or risk ability. So by this scanner, we are trying to find such a stocks from the scanner, and then we are applying onto the strategy. And important update on the weekly thing. So we are updated for the next week. Okay, so this is what the current contract expiry. So if you are following for a weekly expiry, that is a weekly based logic. So you need to focus in next month contract. But this month contract, the maybe the premium is very too low, and even you can't able to hold it for another 2 days, because 2 days in expiry, and also the margin would be very high for the in the money options because of the physical delivery. Okay, so better you can switch over for the next month contract. And intraday contract, that is a Camarilla based R4 breakout. So we are fetching the stocks and finding the Camarilla R4 levels 1 day period, and we track those stock which breaks the R4 level in this particular scanner. So that is a daily based one. Even if you want to change, so if you want to change the next month contract, you should simply switch over this from current month to next month. So whatever the thing which is showing you, intraday is a 25th August, but weekly you can look at this 29th September. It will be automatically changed because this is based on our logic which we are discussing on the course. And monthly also currently changed. If you want to switch over, you can change weekly if you are following the next week. So you need to switch over. If you are using current month, you will be getting the current month. So as of now, so we will be seeing in the call side more than 35% which is increased, almost 10-12 stocks. In the put side, more than 30%, somewhere around 7-8 stocks. But some of the stocks is moves, and then it now it is lower. So example, National Aluminum, which went huge and then it returned back, but even that was triggers. So the logic which we are using with our particular scanner is our strategy. So we are using some positional strategy which helping us to find out some positional basis, the logic behind the positional content or the positional course. So how we can effectively select some 3 to 5 stocks. So as of now, so we will be getting many stock which triggers our breakout and triggers our entry given in the logic. But as per our positional concept, we have this scanner is for a directional based scanner. So while we are following the directional strategies, so this scanner will help. And non-directional, so which you are using some IV, IVP, and IVR based scanning. And this directional, which simply using ATM or OTM. These are all the strategy, naked strategy, and 2.1, 3.1, 3.2, FPB, F4 strategies, which we can apply any one of the strategy as per your required margin and riskability. But these are all the stocks. By using the scanner, we find out there is an opportunity. So, and also we need to filter the stocks which are having a good liquidity and the volume. So that is also very important, because while we are taking a ITM option, okay, while it is triggering, that time it was an ITM option. So if it is having a good liquidity, then there is no issue. But if it is moves higher while ATM, it is not trading with a good volume, so there is a bid ask spread, the gap is high, means we simply ignore those stocks, but we are not focusing on the list by this scanner, which effectively filter out all the F&O stocks. Okay, that is this work of the scanner, and it is scanning all the F&O list, and from that we do find out with our knowledge and as per the strategy. So that is what the main important, and we find Camarilla levels, some comment which came, how do you find a Camarilla level 1 day period? So Camarilla level is nothing about, it's a calculation. While we can calculate the level 1 day period, then we will able to easily find out that Camarilla values by using the formula. Okay, so that is what a very easiest way where we are going to get. And someone was asking the logic, how you are calculating. That is a lot of Camarilla formulas are available. By using that only, Camarilla R4 formula or R4 formula. If you are doing that, you will be able to get it. So this is what the formula where you can able to get. This is an R4 value. So by using closing of previous day and high plus I minus low into 1.1 divided by 2. So that is what Camarilla R4 level. So based on the yesterday's value, we are simply finding out and we are getting the data, and we are calculating 1 day at once the Camarilla levels. So then we can use it for tomorrow's breakout. So 1 day period we are finding out, and some of the trading view indicators which given you 1 day advance. But the scanner helps you where the stock which breaks the R4. That is what the main use of this particular scanner. It will not provide you any buy sell tips there. So how many stocks which is nearing to that R4 breakout, or how many stocks which breaks already the R4 levels, that scanner is going to show you. But we can easily find out which is nearing to the breakout. So for an example here, Bajaj Holding. So R4 value is 129. It's currently trading 110. So maybe tomorrow after market opens, either it may open by gap up or a gap down. While we are checking that, if it is triggers in the first 15 minutes, we don't consider that as a valid one. Maybe gap up and then reversed back, gap down and reversed higher. So such a kind of things we are not finding out, or we are not going to use it. We have some logic, we built it for using the scanners also. After 9:30 we find a fresh breakout, so something which we are going to use it. And this weekly we updated for current week, so anyone who want to not focus on the August expiry, you just change over to September, and then if you change over, it will be automatically update both the sites like monthly and weekly, so you can utilize for a weekly. It will be helping you to find, but intraday it will be showing you the daily intraday one. Okay, so that is what the scanner which you updated. And anyone who are really interested about the scanners and screeners, and also along with the course, so you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown here in this video, and you can get more details about that. If you're really interested, you can just ping me back. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.